Just outside of Osaka, there's a place people come not to wish, but to set goals. This is Katsuo-ji Temple, famous for its Dharma dolls and the idea of never giving up. After that, we slow things down at Minoo Falls. It's the perfect balance of intention and calm. So if you're looking for a great day trip, one of the best ones outside of Osaka, this is it. Let's get into this. Now to get here, we took the train from Osaka, which is definitely the easiest way to reach Katsuo-ji Temple. The temple opens at 8 a.m., so we came here early to beat the crowds. Now, since buses don't start running until about 9 a.m., we had to take a short taxi from the station instead.
Look, this is where we are, these little peoples. I don't know what these peoples are called.
They're called something like Daruma or something.
Yeah, we're gonna go. Let's do this now. Okay, so that was 500 yen per person. So we gotta scan our QR code.
Okay.
All right, and
Wait, here's yours.
okay. All right, thank you.
Here they give you this,
Okay.
and I think there's 6 stamps throughout the temple area, and each stamp at the end, you put it on top of each other, and it layers a beautiful picture at the end.
Really?
A little souvenir, yeah. We gotta keep an eye out for the stamp places.
See, that's why I love Megan there. She knows exactly what's going on here. I know nothing about stamps. They just give me that and I'd be like, oh, that's cool. I don't know what this is. It looks like a frame. All right, so Megan's taking pictures for people right now, but this is why you go early. What do we have? 5 people. There was literally 2 people before this. This is it. 8:23 in the morning. Go at 8 o'clock. Go early. Look at this all. This is wild, everybody. Holy. Hey?
There's so many.
There's so many here. Wow. So cool. And I love this. Look, on the bridge, it's just me and Megan.
No one else is here.
And these little guys.
Our little Dharmas.
The little Dharmas are right here. So many little Dharmas. Look, they're having fun. They got a bottle of booze up there.
Look, and look at them on the lion's
Yeah.
head over there. So like with those little Dharmas, you can buy one in the gift shop, and they have a little fortune in the bottom.
Yeah.
And you can keep your little Dharma guy as your own souvenir, or you can place them about.
Nice.
I think at the end of every season or something I read, they get rid of them all and burn them all.
What? Oh my gosh. It's a little morbid.
I don't know if that's true, but I feel like I heard that.
They just burn your dreams away. You know what? I get it. There would be millions of these if not, right? So let's check out this little more waterfall though, y'all.
This is the World Dharma Challenge here at Katsuo-ji Temple. It represents people from all over the world coming here to set goals, stay focused, and not give up. All symbolized through Dharma dolls.
Check out the beauty of this. Like all these like lanterns. So cool. Megan's just way up there now. We gotta do some exercise, and looks like we think we're doing some stairs here, people, very shortly. But yeah, it's just lined up and on both sides too. Super cool.
Stamp it away. And that's the first stamp.
That's the first stamp. Do not touch them. Do not touch them. Look at them. You can take pictures. Don't touch them. But yeah, there's 8 photo spot areas. So be obviously, you know, nice and wait your turn. And you'll get your own little opportunity to get, you know, your own photos with these Dharmas.
A few moments later.
Okay. I know I told you all to be careful. With your backpacks, be especially careful. Because I bumped one and it kind of was rocking. So just be careful. We are on the mission for stamp number 2. Make sure you take your time. Obviously here, there is a time restriction if it's super busy, but if you go early like us, and especially like we're October 28th right now, and look at all the space we got. It's amazing. It's 8:30. People are starting to come though. So, and I bet when those buses roll up, babe,
Yeah.
That's going to get busy.
At 9, you're right.
Yeah, it's going to get busy. So this is why we do this now and enjoy it. Take our time to enjoy it. I got to get her a picture and we're going to go for stamp number 2.
You only live once.
Yeah.
There is no second life. May this day be a wonderful one for all of you. I love that.
Yeah, that is a saying right there. If you're super serious in life, you really need to stop. Seriously. Like, just chill. It's all
And
good.
if you keep waiting and putting things off, you only have this one life.
Right? Exactly. So have fun with it. Live it on your own. I don't care if you're solo traveler.
On your own terms.
Exactly. Yes.
No one else has to understand it but you, and no one has to love it but you.
That's right. And that's why I love Megan. And that's why we're in Japan. We're everywhere in this world. We don't care.
Now, before praying, you ring the bell to announce your presence, bow as a sign of respect, and take a quiet moment to focus on your intention.
Okay, everyone, we're just about to go in the main hall right now. And behind me, you have the whole gift store right here. So it's super cool. We're going to be buying some stuff there. And then you have any of the bad luck, I guess, fortunes there. They hang them up right here. That's what you see with all this white, all these white papers. But we're going to check this place out. See, Megan's already buying things.
This is the main temple here at Katsuo-ji Temple. It's quiet, powerful, and built for reflection, not rushing. This is where people come to pause, set intentions, and focus on what they've been working toward.
That's the other thing, everyone. The 360 views, hey? Like, I just turn around, I'm like, oh, didn't even notice that was there. And how beautiful is that? Yeah. Yeah, it really does. Yeah, this is like, go to the cities for sure, obviously, right? And I know it's only our second day in, obviously, Japan, but get out of them too and go see stuff like this because you're going to get that actual feeling that you are in Japan. It is unreal. It's so beautiful.
Oh, look, you can make your own, draw stuff on them.
Oh, can you?
You can buy them, yeah, because they have markers here.
Oh,
So you can, people put writings on them and stuff.
yeah.
This one.
That one, that's your one?
Look, there's a little fortune down here.
All right. Yamakaze is my fortune, and it means if the discipline remains disturbed, it will not be a good thing. First of all, prepare yourself, your family, your friends, and others. That sounds awful. I don't know. I don't like this Daruma. He's an evil demon. All right, so we're going to tie this up. This evil demon love letter here, or horoscope, whatever. Fortune teller. Tied up in a knot. Get rid of him. Gone. Megan was just showing me this. This is a line for the stamps. So you know in the busy season, it's full. They don't make lines like this if it's not that busy. So that is wild. For stamp, you know what? Do it though. You know what? It's fun if something you want to have. It's right here. Wait.
Souvenir that you got.
Yeah, it's the memory. It's the memory and the souvenir. And the little peoples.
Stamp number 2 going in.
All right.
Why do they put it like this?
I don't know. Hold on. Actually, here, babe. This is wicked.
Oh, yeah, you can do it at the same time. Oh.
Ooh, it's green.
Yeah, different colors now.
All right, stamp number 3 right here. It's beautiful. Check that out. Damn, that's nice. Okay. Push it down. Ooh. Right there. Oh. Yakimoto. Down there, if you can see that, there's a solid line now.
9:22.
9:22 people. Buses have arrived and they're all over here. So just so you know, You know, I called it. Called it as soon as the buses come. People are coming.
I see the next stamp. There's no ropes in this one. I wonder if people just
Oh,
give
yeah.
up. People
Yeah,
just
there's no
give up
ropes.
when they get up here.
That is so true. Yeah, honestly, though, this is...
Because they probably go around and they get to 6 and they're like, come on, and going all around.
Maybe people don't want to do it, or maybe they don't have the time, or yeah. Or maybe some people just don't understand it.
Or you forget about it a little bit.
Well, if somebody gave me that, and here, and I'll be like,
You had
what,
no idea,
what
yeah.
is this,
I
right?
watched a YouTube video on it, and so
Yeah.
I knew about it.
Yeah.
I forgot about it until they handed us these, and I was like, yeah, I forgot about the stamps.
And now you can watch ours, and now you know about it. So if you know about it, we show you the best things, coolest things, stamps.
Yeah, and it makes sure that you actually hit up the entire area of the temple because it's
Absolutely.
so big and there's so much all around
Yes.
that it's easy to just like miss. But if you're looking for the stamp spots, it makes you go find and wander more.
Exactly. Yeah, it's beautiful. And man, it's just beautiful out right now. I love it. It's so
This
cool.
is perfect weather.
It really is. One.
This is stamp number 4.
There's stamp number 4. Look at that. Nice.
Yours is all set up in there.
Okay,
for you.
all right, I gotta go in here and do this, y'all. Okay. Why is mine so ugly?
Because you had the Yatsu Gazaku it.
Mine's so
This is such a good experience.
It really is.
I really definitely would recommend this one.
Yeah, this is pretty amazing. Glad to listen to Megan. So mine.
This is what Yatsuzaku's looks like here.
Oh my gosh.
Yours is so, you got way too much black ink on that.
Okay.
Number 6, the final piece to the puzzle. They're so beautiful.
Oh my gosh, they're all there.
I love dwarves.
That is cool. That is beautiful.
The final product of what all 6 stamps is supposed to look like is this. This is what Craig's looks like though. You went a little too stamp crazy.
Yeah, don't go stamp crazy. Like when you're putting like the ink on, just put it on normal.
Yeah, don't go too hard.
Yeah, and scream Yakimoto or whatever I screamed. Anyways, I love this though. What a cool way to see the whole thing doing all 6 stamps, hey? So yeah.
You with my beautiful photo.
I can. Let's do this. Well, I don't even want to put this in. I don't know what to do with this thing.
Put it behind mine.
Okay. Don't want to put it in front. You'll get it all. You'll get yours.
Standing here, you can really feel the purpose of this place. Katsuo-ji isn't about spectacle, it's about intention, preservation, and taking things one step at a time. Now let's get to Minoo Falls. All right, we have arrived at Minoo Falls. We're now at the parking area, but if you want to come from the shrine up to the falls, it is
It's a 10-minute drive, and it only costs 1,200 yen.
1,200 yen. That's really reasonable. It really is.
Because the only other way, he said there's no shuttle bus between the two, which I think is odd. So the only other way to get them is to take the bus back to the station and then take a station bus to Minoo Falls.
You don't want to do that.
Or I think it's like a 2-hour hike or something like that too.
Yeah, there's
between the
monkeys up there, which sounds cool until they attack you. All right, so after what, about a 10 to 15 minute walk, we are now at Minoo Falls, and there's a slope area too, or you can take the steps down for this last little bit. There looks like there's another trail that's 3.5 kilometers. So if you got the time in Osaka and you love to hike, there's more hiking trails. So just know that. And I think that's a really important thing because a lot of people, I know we all do like to hike. Some of you, we're not the biggest fans of it, but you know.
But yeah, you can hike from the temple we were just at to here.
Yeah, and then more hiking. There's like a 3.5 kilometer hike, it looks like too. I think so.
I'm not about that.
I don't know, but either way, it's an option. Just know that. So we're not going to do that, but we're going to have to take the 2
I'm just
points.
gonna check down here though, real quick.
Sounds good. Megan's going down there, but yeah, I don't know. I think we're going to have to hike back to where we took the taxi. Did you find what you wanted? Oh, nice. Okay. Tell us more about this. Oh, me too.
Look, these are
Oh, hey, what do we got here?
fried maple leaves.
Fried maple leaves.
Yes.
And what's this here? What,
I don't know what that is.
huh. Okay, I want.
Like some kind
Give me
of,
some fried maple leaves, babe.
we're gonna share that.
Okay, sure. I wonder if we should get a drink before we leave this area too. I'm glad you were able to get your stuff though.
No. I'm so glad I walked down here. That was kind of worth it.
That's worth it. I
Yeah.
think that's good.
So this is a fried maple leaf from this store back here.
Yeah.
There's like an actual leaf in there.
Oh, damn, there is too. That's cool. Not bad?
Not bad. What do you think?
Let's try some. Yeah. Yeah, why not? That's good. Fried maple leaf. In Japan. Yeah. All right. So you should know that how much was it?
500.
Okay, so 500 yen. You can get some maple leaves. Try it out. It's right here. This was your decision. Doesn't matter. We've seen some falls. I think it's worth it if you like hiking. Like, it is beautiful out here. And like I said, there's more trails. There's so many more trails back here too. So check it out. But for now, we got to go up.